Hi, this is Jim Wyckoff with your weekly 5M Publishing Grain Market Outlook. Starting out on a Monday morning with some fresh technical damage inflicted upon corn and soybeans as well as wheat. We saw some downside price pressure led by December corn gapping to a new contract low. Soybeans also solidly lower. Monday's price action suggests a fresh leg down in prices in corn and soybeans here in the near term, and wheat will likely follow. From a fundamental perspective, more good growing weather in the U.S. Corn Belt with little threatening weather in the extended forecast. We are going to see a little bit of high heat here in the short term in the Corn Belt on Monday and Tuesday, but that is supposed to dissipate, followed by cooler weather and chances for rainfall amounts throughout the extended period. So as we pass the midpoint of summer, it looks like the corn and soybean crops could be on a record yield pace, and that is a significantly bearish development for futures prices. Stay in touch. I'll keep you informed on any changes in the forecast, but right now the bears are in firm technical and fundamental command of the grain market. This is Jim Wyckoff reporting.